What are you doing tomorrow?
Nothing really.
Let's watch a movie or something.
What's on these days?
I think they're playing Lord of the Rings.
That sounds pretty good. Let's watch that.
Where should we meet?
How about at the subway entrance?
Alright, I'll meet you there at 1 o'clock.
What should we do this Saturday?
Rocky 6 is supposed to come out this Friday.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's going to be any good.
The only reason I want to see it because I've seen the previous 5.
True. Okay, let's see it this Saturday.
How about we hook up for lunch at 12 and then go see the movie afterwards?
Sounds like a plan. Let's meet in front of Tower Records at 12.
What type of movies do you like?
I like all sorts of movies, primarily drama and science fiction.
That's an interesting combination. How about Western movies?
Western and horror are the 2 types of movies I don't care for.
Why don't you like horror? They are entertaining.
Some are entertaining, but I find most of them stupid and childish. For example, I don't understand why a person always goes into the house alone when something is suspicious.
I know what you mean, but it's just a movie. They need for the characters to do that.
Hey, you want to see a movie tomorrow?
Sounds like a good plan. What do you want to see?
How about Legally Blonde?
Oh, my girlfriend wanted to see that movie. I have to take her later, so I don't want to watch it ahead of time. How about The Cube?
Isn't that a scary movie?
How scary can it be? Come on, it will be fun.
Okay, I'll give it a try.
That's the spirit. I'll see you tomorrow after class.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Hey, Jack. How were your classes this semester?
Oh, they weren't too bad. I really digged my poli-sci class.
Would you consider it your favorite class?
I don't know if I'd call it my favorite, but it ranks up there.
What class was your favorite then?
I took a business communication class last year, and it was terrific.
I never took that yet. If that was your favorite, I think I would check it out.
Hey, Bob. What you doing?
I'm at home, painting.
I didn't know you paint. What type of painting is it?
I enjoy oil painting. I learned it at one of my extra classes in college.
That sounds so interesting. I wish I learned a hobby.
Hobbies are never too late to learn. They offer a variety of classes at the local community college. You should look into it.
I think I will. Thanks for the info.
Hey, Joanne, what are you up to?
I'm just watching some television.
I'm so bored. I don't know what I'm going to do today, and it's only 10 in the morning.
Me too. Do you think we are boring people?
I don't think we are boring. It's just that we don't have any hobbies.
That's right. What do you think we should do as a hobby?
That all depends on what you like to do. For example, I like to doodle on the notepad, so I'm thinking about doing some real drawings.
I like to play the piano for fun.
Yeah, that can be a good hobby.
Hobbies are great. I'm going to make a list of all the things I like to do.
That's a great idea. I'm going to do the same.
Hey, Michael, where are you going?
Nowhere special. I was just taking a walk.
What for?
To get a little exercise. I'm so out of shape.
Hey, I play basketball with a bunch of friends twice a week. It's great exercise, and it's fun too. Why don't you come out and play with us?
That sounds great. Give me a call next time you guys play.
All I do all day is work and watch TV. I really should start thinking about my health.
I never thought about that, but you're right. What do you think we should do?
For starters, we should start doing more outdoor activities. That way we'll get some exercise.
I was thinking about taking tennis lessons. I always have an hour to spare in the afternoon. What do you think about that?
It's not a bad idea. How much is it?
I heard it is only about $120 a month for 8 lessons.
Playing tennis twice a week will be a good start. Count me in. What do you do besides work and watching TV?
When I have some time, I like to exercise.
Do you go jogging, or do you go to a health club?
I joined Samsung Health Club a couple months ago.
How do you exercise?
I usually spend 30 minutes on the bicycle for the cardio, and then I lift weights for about 45 minutes.
How often do you go?
I want to go 4 times a week, but I'm too lazy. Last week, I only went to work out once.
Hey, Jimmy, let's go work out later today.
Sure. What time do you want to go?
How about at 3:30?
That sounds good. Today we work on legs and forearm.
Hey, I just played basketball earlier, so my legs are a little sore. Let's work out on arms and stomach today.
I'm on a weekly schedule. You're messing everything up.
Come on, we're only switching 2 days. You can do legs on Friday.
Alright, I'll meet you at the gym at 3:30 then.
Damn, Scott, you got big.
Yeah, I've been working out a lot.
How long have you been lifting weights?
Oh, for a year and a 1.5 years.
Yeah, last time I saw you, it was like 2 years ago.
Has it been that long?
How often do you go to the gym?
I usually go every other day for about 3 hours.
That's a lot.
Yeah, I used to work out for an hour a day 4 times a week, and I saw no results. This is what you have to do to get noticeable results.
I don't think I have the discipline for that.
Just think of it as a hobby. Then it's actually fun.
The weather is terrible.
Yeah, it's been raining a lot these days.
I've been watching a lot of videos at home because of the constant rain.
Have you heard when it's supposed to get better?
I saw the weather report, and it's gonna rain for the next 8 days.
That sucks so much. What are we gonna do?
I'm getting pretty bored. We should do something despite the rain.
I'm with you. What do you have in mind?
I haven't been to the mall in a long time. Let's go there.
That sounds good. They have a movie theater there, so if we get bored, we can watch a movie.
Great. I'll stop by your place now.
Okay, don't forget to bring your umbrella. The rain could start up any time.
Did you ever take History 231?
Yeah, last semester.
Who was the professor?
It was Professor Johnson.
I have him this semester. What do you think about him?
He's a terrible instructor and demands a lot, but fortunately, he's an easy grader.
What did you end up getting?
I got an A-. Sounds good, but none of my test scores were that high, so I don't know how I got a decent grade.
That's probably because he grades on a curve.
Are you enjoying the class so far?
I hate it and I was about to withdraw, but after hearing your experience, I think I'll tough it out.
Yes, definitely stay in the class. You'll get a better grade than your test scores. He does that deliberately to make all the students study a lot.
Thanks for letting me know. I feel relieved now.
Hi, Mike. What have you been up to?
Not much. I started exercising.
Trying to get in shape?
Yeah, I need to start improving my health.
Me too. What are you doing besides exercising?
That's about all.
I think if you eat better, it will help tremendously.
Sleep is good too. I heard people who sleep an average of 8 hours a day have less health problems.
Looks like there's a lot of things to do to stay healthy.
True, but I think it's worth it. When you get old, you want to be healthy and active.
I haven't seen your father in like 5 years. How's he doing?
He's not doing too well.
Why? What's wrong?
About a year ago, he started feeling weak all the time.
Is it due to old age or is he sick?
Maybe a little of both. The doctors can't point out anything specifically. I think it's because he didn't take care of himself during his youth.
That makes sense. It's important to take care of your health early in life.
That's what my father tells me almost every day.
Well, I hope he starts feeling better. Say hi to him for me.
Thanks. I'll let him know.
Hey, Sarah. Why are you limping?
Oh, hi, Matt. I went snowboarding yesterday and my whole body aches.
Was it your first time?
Yeah, and I never want to go again.
I remember the first time I went. My back was sore, I couldn't sit down because it hurt my butt, and my legs would cramp if I walked too fast.
That's exactly how I feel now.
It's only like that for the first couple of times.
Huh. There won't be a next time.
You gotta give it a chance. It's fun after a while.
I'll think about it after I start feeling better. Right now, I don't even want to hear the word snowboarding.
Hey, Jane. How are you doing these days?
Hi, Martha. Everything is perfect.
Are you enjoying married life?
It couldn't be better. My husband is so supportive with my work, and he helps around the house so much.
You're so lucky. I hope to get married to a guy like that.
I'm so happy. Even though we're both working, we get to spend a lot of time with each other, in the evenings and on the weekends.
Do you guys do anything special?
In the evening, we just sit and talk over dinner, but on the weekend, we try to go out to the beach, or hit a nice restaurant, or go to a nice cafe.
Sounds like everything is great. Hey, Stacy. What's going on?
I'm pretty tired these days.
Why? You're not working, so don't you have a lot of time on your hands?
I have so much housework to do. I have to take care of the kids, cook, clean, laundry, and the cycle never ends.
How about your husband? Does he help much?
Not at all. He comes home and complains about his hard day at work. He expects me to do everything. He even wants me to feed him sometimes. Can you believe that?
That sucks.
If he wasn't so lazy, I think I wouldn't have any complaints. He mows the lawn, but can you believe he tried to convince me to do it?
That's crossing the line.
Oh well, I'll have to live with it. What else can I do?
Welcome. Can I help you with anything?
Hi, I'm shopping for my boyfriend's birthday. Do you have any suggestions?
Let's see. How about a nice shirt and tie? You can't go wrong there.
Well, he doesn't wear ties that often.
We have some nice pants. You can also get him a belt with it.
That sounds good. Which one do you recommend?
These slacks are very popular. He can wear them to dress up a little or on a normal casual day.
I like them. Do you have matching belts?
Yes, right over here.
How much are they?
The pants are on sale for $40 and the belt is $25.
What is your return policy, just in case he doesn't like them?
Just save the receipt and we will gladly return or exchange them for you.
That sounds great. I'll take them.
Hey John, I have some great news.
What happened?
I got a job offer from Dell.
That's great. I thought you said you didn't get the job.
I thought I did bad on the interview, but I guess I was wrong. I'm so happy right now.
I bet. That's great news. I'm very happy for you.
Thanks. I feel like celebrating. Let's go have a beer. It's on me.
Sounds good.